Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we divide both sides by dx. So we know that we have xy, y square, x square, s square. They are degree number 2. So we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, we have dy over dx. We do first the derivative of v. We have dv over dx multiplied by x. Later that we do first the derivative of x. You got about v. So I will put this one to change for y. Similar for this one. dy over dx, we change by this one. Next, this one we have vx square. This one we have v square s square. Next, we divide both sides by s square. Next, we need to open parentheses of this one. So v minus v, we cancel. And now I can put this one go to the right. So we put 4v square plus 2 on the right, ds and s we put on the left. Now I can put the integration for the both sides. So number 2 and number 4 we can do about factorization. Now I will concentrate about this one only. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about v equal to 1 over the square root of number 2 tan t. So if I put this one go in here, we have 1 over 2 tan t square. Number 2, we cancel. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dv. Now we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have dv equals to number 1 over the square root of number 2 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. dv we change by this one. So this one we have 1 over 2 tan t square. Number 2 divided by number 2. So this one we have secant of t square. We simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. Now we simplify this one, and we got about the square root of number 2 over 4. the interaction of this one, we have t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we multiply both sides by the square root of number 2. And now we have t equals to arctan of this one. Now I will put this one to change for t. And now we return back to this one. The interaction of this one in here, we will have about this one in here. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into y over s. Now we have the condition. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to the square root of number 2 over 2. So I will put number 1 in here, number 1 in here. This one we put in here. Now we need to simplify. Ln of number 1 you got about 0. And this one we will have about b over 4. So I can put this value go to the left. And we have b multiplied by the square root of number 2 over 16. Now we go back to this one. And I will put this one go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.